Okay, this first one is an old song I wrote while I was babysitting my nephew in Vail, Colorado, and it's about the Eagle River, just the flow of the river and the flow of life. Well, there's new life in a new day, like a river running on its way. And there's joy to be found in the morning. Listen as the birds sing their praise to Mother's glory. And there's joy to be found in the peaceful little sound. Listen as the river makes its way on its journey. There's new hope, more than a ray, as the sun rises on another day. And there's life to be given new meaning, for the sun sets in the west this evening. And there's joy to be found as the sun glimmer of a sunset on the mountain river. Feel the night, it's coming to life. Street lights dazzle along the river's ice. And there's joy to be found in this night scene, as the people gather round for the music. And there's joy to be found in this peaceful little town. Listen as the river makes its way on its journey. There's new life in a new day, like a mountain river running on its way. And there's joy to be found in the morning. Listen as the birds are singing their praise to Mother's glory. And there's joy to be found in the peaceful little sound. Listen as the river makes its way on its journey. Yeah, there's joy to be found in the peaceful little sound. Listen as the river makes its way on its journey. A long time ago. I've been picking on a guitar for 50 years or more, and that was a long time ago. But this one, the next one is about no woman in particular. I got in real trouble down here 5 or 6 years ago. Just talks about the wonder of a good partner and new love and whatnot. Talking about my baby, talking about a lady, yeah. I'm talking about a woman who freed my heart, that's all, nothing to it, as simple as can be. My baby's one of the determined kind. When she knows what she wants, she knows what she'll find. If that ain't my woman, you know I must be blind. Can't see nothing, can't see nothing at all. She's a well that's deep, got a current that's swift and strong. Talking about my baby, talking about my baby now. She's the well that's deep, a current that's swift and strong, swift and strong. Gonna love that woman now, still loving her till I'm long dead and gone. Go like this now. Does anybody make it feel that way? Does anybody make it feel that way? Feel so deep, feel so swift and strong. Take a look around, take a good look around now. See anybody make it feel that way? Well, take them home, love them every day. Treat her right, she'll be with you till your dying day. That's right, she'll stay all that time. She'll be your well that's deep, your current that's swift and strong. Talking about your baby, talking about your baby now. She'll be your well that's deep, your current that's swift and strong, swift and strong. You just love that woman, stay loving her till you're long dead and gone. Talking about my baby, talking about a lady, my baby now. I'm talking about a woman who freed my heart, that's all, nothing too as simple as can be. She's my well that's deep, my current that's swift and strong. Talking about my baby, talking about my one and only lover woman. She's my well that's deep, my current that's swift and strong, swift and strong. I'm gonna love that woman, I'll stay loving her till I'm long, 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 long dead and gone. Thanks a lot. Fred, good being back. Close time that I can come down here more often.